Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice space gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive, and comes equipped with that nice tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, that tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front with blind spot detection. You also get a nice black hood deflector, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some lime green accents, plenty of door space. You do get a carpeted interior, floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, parking brake, lights, and auto stop, auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7.8 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle view screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You even got outlets there. We got secret storage underneath, cup holders, your classic center console, if it wants to open, with a lot more storage underneath. And you can lock it. The key should be somewhere here. You have your drive modes, 4-wheel drive, rear locking diff, little coin slot, climate controls, oh my, media controls with your backup camera. You also have hazards and traction, 12-volt, and outlets right there, storage right there, storage below, storage. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have the classic AM, FM, and we do get Bluetooth. You have your phone, fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you like there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, which includes Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35224, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.